Ever since I had this car, the fuel gauge inside the instrument cluster did not work. So what I decided to do here was disconnect the fuel sender from the gauge cluster. You can see we had power there. So when I apply a ground across this power, what I find is that I have some very good news coming up, and that's to show that the actual hand does work on the gauge. So that means that it is not a fault of the instrument cluster, or it is not a fault of the line running to the instrument cluster. So the next thing that I did was I cut the ground strap away from the fuel center. As you can see, this thing is terribly corroded, but I had to go ahead and do my due diligence. So I tested it anyway. So I applied a ground to it with this power probe unit that I have. And well, exactly what you think happens. Once I apply the ground to it right here, we see the fuel hand not moving. So that means I'm going to be installing a fuel sender in this car, and I'm going to be installing a new gas tank on top of that.